In this video, we will be factoring this four-term polynomial. As soon as you see that it has four terms, you should be thinking, grouping. This is likely to be a grouping problem. So the way grouping works is try looking at the first two terms as their own problem and look at the last two terms as their own problem. Looking at the first two terms, we have a common factor. So let's see, both of these are divisible by 3, and I'm seeing the p squared is common. So the GCF here is 3p squared. So I'm going to pull out my 3p squared. And then on the inside of the parentheses, I am going to have 4p minus 7. And in my mind, I'm imagining doing the distributive property. 3 times 4 is 12. P squared times p would be p to the third power. And 3p squared times 7 will give me 21p squared. Okay, so I've got that. Now I look at the second pair, and I'm looking for a common factor here. I'm thinking 7. Both of these are divisible by 7. So I'll put a plus 7, and then in parentheses, now it's probably going to be the same thing as this. So there's a good chance it's going to be 4p minus 7. Now let's imagine the distributive property. 7 times 4p, that would be 28p. 7 times negative 7 would be negative 49. So this works out. Now because these parentheses are the same, they are a common factor. So I will pull out the common factor of 4p minus 7, put it in the front. So I've got 4p minus 7 now out front. Notice even though there were two of them, it will not be squared. I am undistributing the 4p minus 7. So there will just be one of them. Do not put squared. Now that's going to leave behind the blue part, which is 3p squared plus 7. And that's going to be the final answer. So let's look for that. I see 4p minus 7, and then here's 3p squared plus 7. So the answer is B.